Consultancy.org, a global platform for the international consulting industry, has made a foray into the South African market. The launch of Consultancy.co.za expands the startup's online footprint to cover Africa's most important market for consulting services. With an estimated size of around $1.3 billion, South Africa is Africa's largest management consulting market by revenue, accounting for over half of the continent's overall industry. South Africa's advisory market has seen growth in recent years, advancing the maturity of the industry in both services and operations, with the majority of the globe's top 50 consulting firms being active in the country today. South Africa is one of the more mature consulting industries in the world, and one that is set to gain importance as Africa grows its population and prosperity in the coming decades, says Larry Zini, co-founder of Consultancy.org. With the launch of a dedicated platform for the South African market, we aim at becoming the market's preferred online portal for reference, serving the interests of consultants, both external and internal advisors, job seekers and students, as well as clients of consulting firms. Besides providing visitors with the latest news of the industry, Consultancy.co.za will facilitate the matching process for candidates seeking jobs at the top of the industry by providing an overview of consultancy jobs in South Africa. Further, a research team with a track record at strategy consulting firms and the Big Four will conduct proprietary research on the market, as well as work with consultancies on analysis and thought leadership. Launched in 2017, Consultancy.org works with over 150 leading consulting firms globally, with a number of high-profile names committing their support to the South African platform as founding partners. We are proud to partner with many of the top names in the industry, and look forward to representing their interests in South Africa, says Zini. Among the companies that are part of Consultancy.org's roster of clients are Accenture, Bain. The launch in South Africa builds on successful consulting platforms in Europe and follows shortly after Consultancy.org launched across 4 regions: Asia, the Middle East, India and Latin America. Next month, the global startup will launch in the US and Canada, among others. Partnering with the industry's leaders, our mission is to become the globe's premier network of platforms for the consultancy profession. Adding South Africa to our footprint is an important next step in realizing that ambition, says Zini, www.consultancy.co.za.